Power target trades, power trigger trades.
All right, people, I got a great informative video of the benefits of being inside my group, Power Group Trades. So we're going to talk about the Tesla plan that I posted for my group during the day on December the 11th. So this is the Tesla plan here, and we're gonna click onto the chart, okay, and then we're gonna talk more about the plans. Again, this is about our fourth winning plan in Tesla. Well, 3 large winning plans in Tesla out of 4 since the $300 breakout zone. So let's click into here. And since it's December the 11th, you see that here, around 11, that's 11:06 a.m. I posted this plan. It said, Tesla, we can get back into these with the December 20 365 calls. These are great to use. If Tesla breaks above 358 today, we can buy these, okay? So this, of course, didn't happen on the 11th, okay? But as you can see on the 11th, these options at this price here were $433 per option, okay? So let me go back into the chart. So let me show you. We actually bought this with buy stops. I want to show you this was actually very easy to buy a Tesla because the volume was strong. So I'm gonna explain it as we go along, okay? So let me go back to the charts. Give me a sec here. All right, so here we're back in the charts here, and we're going to go and we're going to move up here. So December 12th says with Tesla, we also want to see the volume come in, the buy range zone, the buy range can be in the 358, 359 area with key 600K. So this was probably posted pre-market. So for Tesla, we can place buy stops. Okay, here it is. So here, for Tesla, we can place buy stops at 550 for the December 20 365 calls. If the power comes in, they will trigger. If not, nothing to think about, right? So then a lot of power came into the market that day. And then I actually moved our buy stops. For Tesla, we can use the buy stops at 520 now instead of 550 for the December 20 365 calls. Then we moved it again. Because, you know, Tesla was moving. It wasn't just popping. It was actually building, but there was good volume with it. And we actually got in here December the 12th. December the 12th, right over here, Tesla confirming with the December 20 365 calls at $510 per option, okay? So you have to understand that from December the 11th, those options were 433. But then there's also some time decay as now, by the way, Tesla did go against us a little bit. I'm going to show you the story, and we're going to go and take a look at all this. But the end result of what happened today and this is why you want to have big picture thinking. You want a leader to guide you through things. As I tell people how to hold and how to do everything from start to end, people. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So on December 13th, Tesla was doing well. Our star doing well. However, they did pull it back, but it was holding support, and we're going to go see what I said inside the group. All right, people, so here it is, December the 13th. So the market will chop things more a bit, but the support for Tesla is 354 in this case, but the higher one is 356.50. And of course, we held all this. So above this, and we just hold the chop. We have the time, and our stocks can move strong. Yesterday, Tesla was showing the power. Today, it is Apple, our leader. So we're not talking about Apple. I mean, Apple's been another great winner for us. We'll look out for a video of that. So Tesla build. So here's I go. Tesla, Apple doing well. Google doing okay. So good for next week. So this is on Friday, December the 13th. We held over the weekend for Tesla. It was a bit against us. But we're going to see the outcome today of what I recommended the group doing because it did hold and follow the rules. You can't make money without making the right decisions in the market. And that's what I do. I give us the best options. We go for targets. I say if we should hold or we should not hold, so on and so forth. So people, I want you to show you what I posted. Now today is the December the 16th, 11th hour. You'll see because I'm doing this video as the market around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Canada. And of course the market is closed while I'm making this video, but 11 hours ago when the market was open, I posted this. Apple doing well in pre-market. Google is also on track. These are the 3 key stocks I have my group inside, okay? And Okay, now we're not going to talk about Apple. We're going to go, so Tesla doing well for us again after it was against us on Friday. But I did say we need to wait for Monday as the stock was trending correctly. And so we'll go up again. Our Tesla December 20, 365 calls just hit 950. Okay, get ready to take 100% gains soon on 50% of your position. Okay, now Tesla started really showing the power, and we were able to take about, I'm going to move up to this Tesla's building. And so it is. Our Tesla December 2365 just hit 1120. Take 50. This was very easy. In fact, it was easier to take higher than this. But we did take about 50% at 1120 for 100%. Then I said our Tesla December 2365 calls just hit 1210. I suggest you put stops at 10. And then I stopped moving. Our Tesla December 2365 calls just hit 1420. I suggest you put stops at 11. You follow that, you understand the people. Our Tesla December just hit 1520, stops 20. I'm going to go up again. Then there's these are gifts. Oh, by the way, let's talk about some gifts. So some gifts people sent me, for example, here is Bruce. Bruce sent me his biggest gift so far, $300, which means which means he is happy. I should admit, I guess it's not he. He is happy and growing well. So let's go take a look at what Bruce said here. One of my members. So Bruce here, so you see the date, December 16th. Sandro, excuse me, I want to thank you again with a gift for great plans and guidance. Power Group Trades represents an elite group led by you, the big picture leader, who can see gains through fear as we witness again today. So this is one of the gifts Bruce sent me. This is probably for part of the Apple and Tesla plan. I'm gonna move up here now. So that was there's more gifts. We'll talk about what I posted. So people, either what I was trying to tell people, you can take profits at 15 or hold which I told people I was going to hold with the stop. So then I moved my stops to 14. So people, Tesla hit 16. So you can sell all your runners or hold with the stop at 14. I chose to hold with a stop. So here it goes. So people, Tesla hit 1635. You can sell all your runners or hold with a stop at 15. For the December 20, 265 Tesla calls. I have my stops now at 15. And then, so basically, I was stopped out at 1520. Now, these options, by the way, people, hit a high of $2,000 per option, okay? So, on December the 11th, on December the 12th, we entered at $510 per options. We sold 50% at 1110, and the other 50% at 1520 easily with our eyes closed. Let me show you some more information, but before I do that, I'm going to show you some other quick gifts here. So here's Carlos here. Now Carlos is a new member, and he has a different account name, but this is what he said here. Let's go in here. Gift to you. Thanks again for Tesla. So he sent me $182.50. That was for the Tesla. That was from Carlos. Okay, now these people send me gifts out of free will. Press pause and read what I'm saying here, but he sent me 2 gifts this week. I don't want to go into all the specifics here. Joe sent me a gift of $227 today. Let's see what he says here. Hi, Sandro. Thank you. Thanks for doing what you do and helping the group. The latest plans on Apple, Tesla, and Google truly demonstrate your skill, focus, and discipline. I was able to get into a couple of these and wanted to say thank you as well. So many fake clowns out there taking people's money for subscription services but not delivering. You built a strong foundation here. Merry Christmas, Joe. So Joe sent me $227. These are just some examples here, people. And then David over here, $200 gift. And of course he says, great call on Apple and Tesla. And then we're going to show you, okay, we're going to show you Sam here. So Sam sold me a $300 gift, so let me click on here. And so Sam here says, thank you, Sam, for all your help. Now this was more, Sam didn't get into the Tesla, but he went pretty big on the Apple plan. But I'm going to probably, but he said, as you can see, I'm very happy. I missed the Tesla plan, but I'm very happy that your guidance has made me great gains, and always you're right on the target. My association with you has been from January 2017, and hoping for more great gains. Winners, thank you. So Sam's been a long-term member, sent me a lot of great gifts. So again, people, I'm a performance leader, okay? People come into my group for free. However, then you make the decision. If you've seen the value, and people usually want to send me gifts because they see the value, because I make them gains without any risk. Okay, I know that if people do follow my instructions, I know they will be happy, but it does take study and it does take focus. All right, people. So I took a snapshot around 12:28. Now you can see that the Tesla options, these actually hit much higher than this $1,800 per option. See these 365 calls? See right here where the arrow is? There's an arrow. And if you look where that arrow is pointing, you'll see, in case you don't see my cursor, you're going to see those are the 365, and you see that these are December 20, 365 calls. They were at 1,800. Now, we didn't get 1,800. These actually went as high as $2,000 per option. You have to go check your options chain on that. However, that's how high they went because I'm going to go to the charts and show you this. So give me a second here. But I took a snapshot around, this is December the 16th. You can see that Tesla at this point was 381. These were actually high. These options went even higher. That's a snapshot. These options went as 20, but again, 1,800. We did not catch this. We caught them as high as $1,500 per option. So let me just show you right now. Give me a second. We're going to the charts. All right, people. So here I am in the charts, and you can see this is December the 16th, right over here, the 12/16. And let me just move this here. Give me a second here. Price. Okay, here it is. So the 365 calls, okay, they closed at $1,810 per option. The 365 calls for the December 20, okay. We didn't get this, but these were great gains. We did hit my targets according to my plans, and you can see where Tesla. You can see that Tesla closed at $381.50. You can see that over here with that thing on December the 16th. A powerful plan that I posted on December the 11th and that I got our group into with buy stops. We had the time to be able to use buy stops in this case. So it was very easy. You just simply adjusted the buy stop. Some people got at, whether you got at 450, a 550 or 510 or for 540 or 550 or 510, you're laughing to the bank with dollar bills with skills, and that's what our group's about. Check out some more great videos, but for now on, we're talking about the Tesla. Give me 1 second here, people. All right, people, welcome to Power Trigger Trade. Confirmation to fee. This is my Twitter account. Now, on my Twitter account here, you're going to see a pinned tweet, and it explains how to become a member inside of my group, Power Group Trade. It's a free group. If you're serious for success, follow the instructions in the video, get yourself into Power Group Trades. It's as simple as that. But you do need to do some studying. And again, follow the instructions in the video. Now, let's go to Power Trigger Trade quickly. I want to show you my Power Trigger Trade account, which is my YouTube account right here. So let me go over here. We're going to click over here. We're going to go there. As you can see, people, here's Power Target Trades, Wealth and Health Leader. I do live streams on Wednesday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Canada. Listen, people, I've been leading the people to higher markets since the Great Fear of December 2018. I called for higher markets, and at first it was SPY 300, then we hit SPY 310, all my targets, and then we talked about SPY 320, 315 to 320. Again, we hit the 320 today, SPY. Trust me, people, you're hitting gold. Study my YouTube channel, study my created playlist. Okay, but you should also check out my videos over here. You can see that other Tesla plan that I posted on December the 11th. Check that out. Check out my Google wins and Apple wins, and check out my prior live streams. A wealth of powerful information, people. And then in the video, people, you're going to see a circle of me in a circle format. A picture of me in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to be the easy way to subscribe. If you don't have an account, get one. Come here, subscribe here manually. I look forward to helping you succeed in Power Group Trades. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like the video.
Power Target Trades, Power Trigger Trade.